Hello people of the world, it is Rachel. I am back to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this one. It is a soft pink halo eye, the look that you see right here. I had a great time doing this. I had never done a look like this before, so I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I thought it came out really pretty. So if you guys would like to know how to recreate this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's get started. To keep this really pink and really soft, I don't want to go in with too heavy of a crease color. So probably like that one. Windshield wiper motions. So I'm going to be using the Tartelette in Bloom palette for this next color. Its Flower Child is this one. And then I'm going to go in with Sweetheart, which is down here. That one. I'm going to use this real quick. So this is Betty Lou-Manizer, this is Cindy Lou-Manizer, and this is Mary Lou-Manizer. And to go into the crease, make this a little bit more pink, I'm going to go in with Cindy Lou-Manizer, which is this one. There we go. Now it's looking pink. I think I'm going to go in first with this color right here in the center of my eye. Ooh. Going in with this one right here, that one. So this is going only on the very, very center. I'm gonna dip into this, that one, that corner one right here. And I'm gonna put that on the very center, which isn't a pink, but it's gonna give a really incredible shine. Alright, so that is the eyeshadow done. As you can see, I put a pink matte color in the crease, and then I put all of the shimmering colors in only the center of my eyelid to create that halo effect. Now, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. But these are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. So they look like that. They are my favorite, honestly. They are very, very dramatic. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on and come down with it. So you're gonna come down, put it on, kind of move it where you want it to be. And that's it. Simple and easy. So with my eyelash on now, you can see what a difference eyelashes make to a look. It gives so much more life to the eye look, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back with my eyelashes on. I'm basically gonna be doing the same base routine that I did in my evening night out makeup tutorial. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the Tartelette in Bloom palette first. I'm going to go into Sweetheart one more time. Okay, so now that we've got like a smoky type of look going on, I'm going to go back into these sparkly shades that we used before. I think I'm just going to go into this one. So wherever I put that shimmery shadow on the top of my eye, I'm putting it on the same spot on the bottom of my eye, on the under lash line. The under lash line. The lower lash line. So now let's do some blush. Today I'm going to actually go back into this palette, which is the Milani Sisters, and I'm going to take the Cindy Lou-Manizer right here, which is actually meant to be a blush that I used on the eyes. I'm going to use that as my blush today. So I'm going to go ahead and do my favorite part, it's everybody's favorite part, the highlighter. Go into Mary Lou-Manizer. Okay, so now the last step, lips. So I'm just gonna be using a really, really sheer lipstick today. This is the Urban Decay lipstick in the color Morning After. Looks like this, it's kind of melted. It looks like that. It's really, really pretty. It's sheer, but it's really pretty. I think it matches the eyes perfectly. Okay, let's go ahead and set the face. Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I will see you guys on my next video.